Hey pet lovers, this video is for you because it's National Pet Day. And I thought it would be a good day to introduce you to our fur baby. This is Lizzie. You say hi? She is an almost 2-year-old Feist, and we rescued her from the Greenville Humane Society last year. We brought her home. She immediately became a part of our family, and now she rules the roost. This is Lizzie's house, and we just live in it. So I'm sure that's the same for a lot of your households as well. And I thought National Pet Day would be a really good day to address some unique challenges that we all face when it comes time to selling our house. First things first, you've got to be prepared. Think ahead. If your animal's done some damage, which happens from time to time, maybe they've had accidents in the house, get your carpets professionally cleaned, repair the damage. You only get one chance to make a first impression, and you want to make sure that it's a good one. Probably the most frequently asked question I get with pet owners is, what do I do with my animals during showings? And I have a few options. Maybe doggy daycare is a plan. Maybe they have a doggy friend down the street that they could have a play date with. If you're fortunate enough to work from home or have a flexible schedule, take them for a walk during showings. If you have cats, they're a little easier. It's been my experience that they tend to run away and hide when we show houses, but you do want to consider the fact that if they're indoor cats, they might run out the door when no one's looking, so think about that. I've got some other ideas for you if those aren't options, and they're on the website, along with what I think you should do with food bowls and litter boxes and things like that. So head on over, it's allstarrealestatesc.com/blog, or you can click on the link in the